Okay, so we're going to enter this augmented matrix here into our graphing calculator and then have the calculator convert it to row echelon form. So to access the matrix functions in this calculator, we need this button here, X inverse, and you can see that the second function here is the matrix function. So we're going to hit second matrix inverse, and this tells you how many different matrices you can save. So these are just the names of the matrices. Here's the different functions that you can perform with the matrices, and there's a bigger list down below. And here we're going to go into edit so that we can actually enter our matrix over here. So we're going to edit. I'm going to just save this matrix here and name it matrix A. All right, so I'm going to hit enter. And right now it's a 1 by 1 matrix, and we need it to be a 2 row by 3 column. So we're going to go 2 by 3, enter, and that says 2 by 1. And so let's go back and see what's going on there. Okay, so it's a 2 by 3, and it fills with zeros. We're going to change those zeros to 2, top row, 3, and 2, and then double check that, 2, 3, 2. Now I'm in the bottom row, element 1 here. In the bottom row, I just have a bunch of ones there. I'm not sure what happened there, so we're going to clear that out. We're going to try 1, enter, and it entered an 11. I'm not sure why that happened. Let's fix that. -2 and 8. And then before you leave this screen, double check that your rows and columns match. So top row 2, 3, 2, bottom row 1, -2, 8, because it's really easy to just rush through that and hit a button and you're not going to be solving the matrix that you want. All right, so we've entered our matrix, our 2 by 3 matrix in matrix A. So we're going to go second mode to quit that screen. And now we're going to perform some math with the matrix. We're going to have the calculator write it in reduced row echelon. So now when you press second X inverse, you can see that matrix A is our 2 by 3 matrix. So we're going to arrow right once to math. And I want to go into REF form, row echelon form. And so I'm using arrows up. To get to that, I'm going to hit enter. So the calculator is now asking me what matrices do I want to put in row echelon form. So I'm going to press second matrix one more time, or second X inverse one more time, and I want to have the calculator put matrix A in row echelon form. So I'm going to hit enter, and you can see that it puts a matrix around A. If you just try to type in a capital A, it's not going to work. It has to have the matrices on it. All right, so hit enter, and there we go. So now it's in row echelon form. You can see because top row, first position is a 1, bottom right below it is a 0, and then in this row here, after the 0, you have a 1. So let's just interpret that really fast. In the top row, this now means that x plus 1.5 y equals 1, and no x, so y equals -2. So now you know that y equals -2. You can use back substitution to plug it into the top equation and then solve for x. And that's how you use the calculator to convert an augmented matrix to row echelon form.